On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe everyone will be rooting for. An earthy, nourish bowl. Lei hong ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in today's episode as we make a recipe that is delicious, really earthy, full of flavor, and full of variety. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. 1 400ml can chickpeas. You can keep the aquafaba or chickpea water to make a thick mayonnaise. Rinse and drain the chickpeas with some water. These guys here are Japanese sweet potatoes. Absolutely one of my favorites. They're so incredibly sweet and literally nature's candy. If you can't find these at an Asian grocery store, you can definitely just sub these out for any other potato. Place the potatoes with the chickpeas. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. A generous pinch of salt. And pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Give it a toss to coat. Transfer the potatoes and chickpeas to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spread them out so that they cook evenly. Bake in the oven for about 25 minutes. Place 1 cup of brown rice in a small saucepan. Rinse and drain to get rid of any excess starch. This recipe is good for 2 to 3 portions, but of course you can multiply the recipe to make more. 1.5 cups water. Medium-high heat. Brown rice is a little bit heartier, but of course you can switch that out with whatever you have on hand. When the water starts to bubble, turn the heat to medium-low. Give the rice a stir, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. Blender. 1/3 cup cashews. 3/4 cups water. 1/4 cup tahini. 1 tablespoon miso paste. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 3 tablespoons lime juice. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Blend on high until liquefied. If you don't have a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight to soften them up. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off on the rice and let it steam further for another 15 minutes. Remove the leafy parts from the black kale. Roughly chop the kale, about 40 grams worth. If you cannot find black kale, you can substitute it with any other leafy green like arugula or Swiss chard. Thinly shred about 120 grams of purple cabbage. This will add a fresh and delicious crunch to the bowl. Today's episode is a bit of a companion video for one of the recipes found in the Young Man Cooking cookbook. For more information about the cookbooks, there is a print or digital version of them if you want to grab your own copy. There's a link in the description box below for you to check it out, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. One avocado, cubed. Using a vegetable peeler, shave down 1 purple carrot. This will add a nice fresh crunch, a little sweetness, and a beautiful visual appeal. Definitely don't have to go out of your way to get a purple carrot. Any carrot will do, but look how gorgeous that is. Assemble the bowl by plating the brown rice. A little bit of the fresh black kale. A couple of the delicious Japanese sweet potatoes. Generously spoon over those roasted chickpeas. Add some crunchy cabbage and those beautiful carrot ribbons. Add the buttery cubed avocados. And a small bunch of broccoli sprouts. Pour over some of that delicious dressing. You can now enjoy this delicious Nourish bowl with absolute confidence. This bowl looks so colorful and so inviting. Boy, that is so packed with flavor. Just delicious. This bowl really is just so nourishing. It has so many earthy flavors, beautiful colors, and that little bit of brightness from the dressing just wraps everything up really well. The fresh kale, the cabbage, the carrot just adds this deliciously fresh crunchiness. The chickpeas have this nice smokiness, and the Japanese sweet potato brings this rich sweetness. The broccoli sprouts have this fresh crunch, and that avocado adds this nice buttery texture. The beauty about these bowls is that you can just mix everything together, and every bite is almost something different. That beautiful golden dressing just grabs onto everything, and there's that little bit of salty umami from the miso paste that just shines through. There's a sweetness, a saltiness from that dressing, and just so many dynamic textures. This is definitely one of those versatile recipes where you can put together with really any veggies that you have on hand, and you can make a different bowl every time. So fresh, so earthy, and so delicious. Absolutely a recipe you can make on a weeknight repeat. It's such a joy to put together recipes like this that's just visually stunning and absolutely delicious. For more information about the 3 Young Men Cooking cookbooks, there's a print or digital version of these you can check out in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. You can also check out the Young Men Cooking merch, Sushi Masterclass, and that ceramic ramen bowl. If you liked today's episode, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so. I'll see you in the next episode.